How's it going, everyone? This is the update from my model view controller framework that I built in PHP called Chappy.php. Um, Gotta keep these updates going so I can post about them on LinkedIn so the recruiters from the US, was it outlying outer islands or some shit, don't get disappointed that I don't have any updates for my contributions block on my GitHub profile. So here is the hook for the widgets in my index view for my admin dashboard. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. So here is the admin dashboard right now. I got a little user session widget going on just for demonstration purposes. So let's create a new widget. So what we're going to do is, if I can find that index action, if I can spell index action. All right, so let's make a new widget. Let's call it blah. So PHP console make widget. Let's see, put it in dashboard. And then name it blah. Blah is right there. You see it? We got a new blah widget. So let's make H1 something. Yeah, H1. Make H1. If I can type, my blah widget. So we need to style this appropriately. So class equals text center, and then MT4. We need a little bit of spacing. We don't want this to be all crammed up together. So all right, so let's go in here. And we have a new function for the view class, so we just copy it there, paste it, and let's add in the name for blah. So what is a view without some data? So let's add some data to this view, this widget. So data equals blah, blah, blah. It might be expecting an array, so we might be having some issues, but we'll figure it out. So data, let's add an H2, and let's echo out data. It has to be a type array. Okay, so blah blah blah. Let's do an array. All right. So data 0. It's not working right the way I want it to, but hey, the new blah widget is right there, and it is awesome. So let's see if we can do something here. How about I just do that? There it is, blah blah blah. Fixed array has one element, echo it out. There you go. There's my blah widget. So now, if I go to what is it, GitHub, I'll pull over a tab here. Go to my thing. Recruiters from Nigeria and Virgin Islands and the U.S. minor outer something islands out in the middle of nowhere Pacific will be happy to know that on today, July 15th, 2025, I have 9 contributions on my GitHub page. Because everyone knows that almost all recruiters who have ever been in the business of recruiting lives and works at the U.S. minor outlying islands. I've never seen a recruiter that does not live out here. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for more updates on this framework. We will catch you next time. Peace out.